So, what exactly is biotechnology? In simple terms, it's using living organisms or biological systems to develop new products and solutions. It's nature and innovation working hand in hand. For example, in agriculture, biotech is used to create crops that are more nutritious and resistant to pests. And in medicine, it's behind breakthrough drugs and vaccines that save millions of lives. Think of it as biology upgraded by technology. But what does this mean for you? Let's look at how biotech is already changing lives. Take 3D printing, for example. Scientists are now 3D printing tissues and even organs using living cells. Imagine a future where organ transplants are faster, safer, and don't rely on donors. And then there's gene therapy, where doctors can identify and fix faulty genes to treat genetic disorders. Conditions like cystic fibrosis and sickle cell anemia can be avoided altogether, allowing for a healthy and long life. This isn't just science, it's hope. How about sustainable energy? Biotech is creating biofuels from crops, reducing our dependency upon fossil fuels and helping tackle climate change. This isn't just about the planet, it's also about cleaner air for you and I. So, why should you care? Well, simply because it's shaping everyone's future. From better healthcare to smarter farming and even eco-friendly energy, it's touching nearly every part of life. Whether it's personalized treatment for an illness or the extra nutritious food you eat, biotech is making the impossible possible. It's a serious game changer. If you're curious about how these innovations could shape your life, subscribe to Biotech Trends for more bite-sized insights into the world of biotechnology. Let us know in the comments, which biotech breakthrough are you most excited about? See you in the next video.